In your morning medical news, Dr. Mehmet Oz is cutting off federal funds for gender-affirming surgeries and hormone treatments for young people. The Medicare and Medicaid administrator warned that these procedures cause what he says is permanent, irreversible harm, putting him at odds with major medical groups. Though records show such treatments are already extremely rare for minors, the decision affects Medicaid coverage nationwide. April is Stress Awareness Month, and while you're likely acutely aware of the stress in your life, experts say many people may not have all the tools they need to find relief from it. Mandy Gaither speaks with a psychologist about some healthy ways to cope with everyday stress.
From home life to work life, you're likely juggling several responsibilities at once, and that can take a toll.
We're living in incredibly stressful times these days, and unfortunately, we often go on autopilot and we don't necessarily take a step back and recognize all the sources of stress in our lives and how it might be affecting us emotionally and physically.
Psychologist Adam Borland with Cleveland Clinic says sometimes people go down unhealthy avenues when trying to cope, like drinking alcohol or using other substances. Instead, he challenges those who are stressed to focus on a healthy daily routine that includes healthy eating, exercising, and getting quality sleep. Focusing on self-care can also help your body recharge.
I often encourage my patients to engage in meditation or some sort of deep breathing exercise.
Borland says to also engage in social activities, maintain communication with sources of support, and tap into hobbies or creative outlets that you enjoy and can give you a break. He says to also stay in touch with your doctor or mental health professional and monitor behaviors that may be caused by stress that seem unusual, like arguments with loved ones or a drop in work productivity.
We always want to take a step back and get a sense of where is my stress level right now and what can I do to prioritize self-care.
Borland says during times when our stress levels are high, we tend to focus on the negative things in life. Instead, he says, try to focus on gratitude, the things for which you're thankful. He says that simple act can go a long way in terms of balancing the stress in your life.